guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hello everyone, so this is chapter 28. Now let's see what will the prince will do just to help our bansai. Tingnan natin nung gagawin nitong prinsipeng to. He always says that mahal niya nga si Bansai daw. Ito naman. Ito kontrabido kasi ito eh. Puro lang laro yung alam nitong prinsipeng to. Opens eyes. Diba nasa harap na siya agad? Pogi talaga ng prinsipeng to, no? Pinakakaano lang, baka dun sa previous life niya, ganun yung nangyari. Moon Northwing? Shock. Nakakashock ba talaga yung mukha niya? Nagulat lang siyang bakit nagpakita sa kanya. No? Sis. Aba, ino niya yung sarili niya, sinugatan niya yung sarili niya just to help her. Ayan, ilulure niya yung bloodletting. Para yung ahas lumayo. He actually used blood to lure and lead away the venomous snakes. Snakes? Ilang snakes kaya to? 2, 3? Why did Moon Northwing save me? Why? 2. Oh, disgusting. I'm numb. Ewan ko sa'yo. Shh, I'm here. Don't be afraid. Why does Crown Prince's cousin go to such a great lengths for a village girl? Ewan ko sa'yo. Mapag mataas ka masyado eh. This is more than just Crown Prince's protection of his subjects or a man protecting of a woman. Pinutulan niya ng ulo yung ahas. Venomous nga to. Kasi diba? Bansai, don't be deceived by his illusion. Wala na. Nadala talaga siya sa no? Yung past life niya. Paano naman kasi buntis siya? Pinanganak. Ginulpi ba yun? Ano pa ba? Bakit nangyari yun sa past life niya? Otherwise, the tragedy of the previous life will repeat itself. Siguro na siya, tawag nito. Na-hypnotize siguro siya before. Moon Northwing, what is your ultimate goal? There's still one. Junhan. So you blocked my sight. Not good. Patay. Fetches. Shush, shy. Smack. Falling hard. Ginawa niya, tinapon niya. I don't want to owe Moon Northwing any favors. Ay, ano ba yan? Nawala na talaga yung love niya. Aren't you a woman? You're not afraid of this extremely poisonous snake? Get down. Really not easy. Shy, are you okay? Step back. Nothing. Indifferent. She still avoids me. Ano ba kasi talagang nangyari? In her past life, ginawa niya yun. Bakit kayo? Trip. Mutulo yung dugo. After all, he was injured because of me. Repeats. First, let's bandage it up, and when you go back, remember to ask the royal physician for medicine. Love na love ka pa naman kaya ng Crown Prince. Shasha, what about you? Don't overthink it. I just want to be at peace with myself. Still care about me. Love na love naman niya si Shasha, no? Pero, ba't kaya ganun? Bakit iniiwasan na siya ni ate girl natin? Anyway, that's the end of chapter 28. Let's see what will happen on chapter 29. Stay put. Right now, this is chapter 29, and let's see. Big brother, Crown Prince. How are how are you? Huh? Ikaw nga yung dahilan? Bakit nagka-snake? Let me explain. Crown Prince cousin, I just wanted to scare that little village girl. So I went to the snake market yesterday and brought a few snakes. But they were all non-poisonous and even their teeth were pulled out. Those venomous snakes are not the ones I brought. And I don't know how they turn into five-step poison king snakes. Thinking. His Highness, although Sishu is mischievous, he would never use the five-step poisonous king snake as a joke. Oh, talaga? Sure ka? Please investigate, Your Highness. Who put the snake in the bundle? Even if Jinshi, there's no time to prepare such a rare poisonous snake from a cave. Sneer. What's wrong with you? Someone actually dared to act so arrogantly in front of me. Mhm. You two go find Zhu Feng, assist him in investigating this matter, even if there is no guilt. Galit na galit, gustong manakit? Char. If you don't investigate clearly. Yes, Junhan understands. I'll go right away. Help him up. His legs are shaking in fear. Ikaw pa yung natakot. Hindi nga natakot yung babae. Tie it tightly. Bansha was worried about Princess Zixing, so she took her leave first. Block. Problema mo. I've got Princess Zixing sent back already. There's no reason for Vansha to stay here any longer, so I'll take my leave. Iwasan at iwasan ka niya dahil sa nangyari in her past life. Look, I have something to tell you. What are you going to say? Shasha, I heard that you are skilled in medicine. Can you help me once? Sino tumatandang to? Solemn face. Can you extend the life of an elder for a few more years? There are countless imperial doctors in the palace. Why did you come to me? Takes out the book with no words. Ano yan? I didn't expect such a rare treasure to have been in your possession all along. Are you following me? Galit na naman. Ba't ka na naman galit? All the spies in the capital belong to this crown prince. Why would I need to follow you? Humbly. Shame. You dare to call me shameless. You are the first. So you want to kill me? If I really wanted to kill you, I would have done it already. Can you escape? Serious. Shasha, do you know that every time I see the hate in your eyes, it pains me? His Highness is right. To you, my life is as insignificant as an ant's. Hindi naman. Love ka naman niya ngayon. Kaya nga, bakit kaya nangyari sa ano mo yun, past life mo, no? After helping you this time, we'll have no more depths between us. We must settle this matter as soon as possible. Let least we worry about it all night. Goodbye. Siya excited pa naman si Crown Prince makita ka, makasama ka. Mas ganito mangyayari. Back then, when I fell into the pit, she was so worried that she thought I might die. Cutie. After shedding so much blood, she wouldn't even spare me a glance. When did Shasha hurt become so hard? She's not cute like she used to be when she was a child. However, I won't give up easily. Ano kayo mangyayari sa kanila? Ano? Bakit kasi nangyari yun sa past life nila? Kakapagtaka. May na sigurong plot twist to. Pavilion in the garden backyard. We should go to the front hall now to perform the wish. Happy birthday to Chan. Ano yan? Di ko mabasa. Qingdai, why is your younger sister from the countryside missing? Are you hiding because you're afraid of embarrassing yourself with no talent? My sister grew up in the countryside and lacked education. There's no need for you to ridicule her like this. The fragrance of tea permeated the air. I can perform in her place if necessary. No need to bother, sister. Pansha will come by myself. Ano niya? Sinasalo niya pero iniinsulto naman niya. Although you appear to be good sister, who is standing up for me, your word seems to confirm the rumors that I am useless. How could I let you succeed? Anyway, this is the last part of chapter 29. So let's see in the next chapter what will happen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.